Okay, more trig problems. This problem starts out exactly the same. We are referencing this angle here. We notice that this 8 is opposite, and this n is across on the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse, right? So the trig ratio that uses opposite and hypotenuse is, you may have to look it up. Which one is it? Okay, yep, sine. So the sine of this angle is 50 degrees. Sine of 50 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse, 8 over n. Now what I want you to notice is the unknown, unlike the last two problems, is in the denominator. There's a shortcut. You can use this or not. If you don't use the shortcut, here's what it looks like. Regular algebra 1, multiply both sides by n. We get 8 equals, no, I'm not gonna write all that out. I'm gonna divide both sides by sine of 50. And notice we get n equals 8 divided by the sine of 50. You put that in your calculator, you get the answer. Okay? There's a shortcut. Rather than going through all this, what you can do, if you want, you don't have to, from here, and I'll just rewrite it real small, sine of 50 degrees equals 8 over n. You can switch the location of the unknown in the denominator with the term on the other side. And that would become n equals 8 over the sine of 50, or yeah, 50. And notice that's exactly the same as what we got here. So if you have an unknown in your denominator, to save yourself some algebra, you can switch the denominator and the other side. And then you can plug it in the calculator and you're done. If you don't like that, if you think that's confusing, if you prefer to just do it the regular algebra 1 way, you can go right ahead. Everything will be the same. Take that in the computer and what do you get? 8 divided by the sine of 50. Eight divided by the sine of 50, what is that? 10 point what?
4.
That seems like a reasonable answer because this long side here is 8 and the hypotenuse has to be longer than 8. Any questions? Anyone still writing? We're gonna do one more problem just like this. So go to the next slide, see if you can start it. This is wordy, it's a word problem. Sometimes you'll see word problems. Oh, I thought it was the same, but I guess it's not. Tells you in words you're measuring the height of the spruce tree. Referencing this angle right here, it says angle of elevation. Angle of elevation, you're looking up at something. Elevate, looking up. Opposite, adjacent. Which trig ratio are we going to use? Opposite and adjacent. Yeah, tangent. The tangent of this angle, 59 degrees, equals opposite over adjacent. Nice. Multiply both sides by 45. Cancel. Take out the calculator, do 45 times the tangent of 59. And what do you get? Oh, this one says round to the nearest foot. So that's the nearest whole number. So what is that? In the calculator, 45 times the tangent of 59 degrees. Anyone? All right, Everyone take out the Desmos graphing calculator right now and type in 45 times tangent of 59. What do you get?
74.89.
Okay, and so we're rounding to the nearest whole number, so 75? Okay, let's see if the computer likes it. We're good. Questions? This takes practice. It's not easy. Not easy.